Hi everybody, my name is Arthur Smith and welcome to my channel. We're the Smiths Oregon RV Living. Hi guys. Well, we finally got some good weather and you can see I'm up here doing this again. Boy, do we have a mess right there. Okay, I can't even begin to tell you how epically I screwed this job up. Not only did I wait all summer, but I ended up buying the wrong stuff for the roof. I bought a roof coating, which is for UV. It's not sealant. And I'll tell you what, that Flex Seal isn't worth a damn. So this time, I'm doing it right. I got roof sealant this time. And I am using a Turnabond across this seam in front and right over here in this corner, and then I'm going to reseal the whole front with roof sealer and not damn coating. So I didn't even bother making a video. There were too many leaks, but I do have a couple photos that I'm going to clip in on the roof damage inside, and this has been leaking for a long time, so bear with me. Okay, you can see that all that crap that I did, it peeled off almost in one piece. And so here we are back up here again. It's really, you can't really see, but the Turnabond tape is down and a proper sealer has been applied over the top of the tape. Now over at RV Masters here in Reedsport, they had a little bit left on the end of a roll of the Turnabond. It was the 4-inch wide, so I did this bad corner with that stuff and the rest with the 2-inch. And I'm going to let this dry tonight and come back up, put a second coat on it tomorrow, and I pray that we're done. But I made a monumental screw up the first time around. And there's something else real quick while I was up there waiting for that stuff to dry and what have you. I did something else while I was up there, and nobody has said anything about this except Cindy. She's the only one that said anything at all. Now it says Itasca and not it. So I got that finished up. So I've got a mess to clean. I'm gonna get the pictures of the inside ceiling damage incorporated in this and get it put together. And well, thanks for watching, and I'll let you know when the rain comes again. We're supposed to get it again Thursday, so here we go. Wish me luck. And I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks for subbing and sticking with me. I know my vids are a little bit boring, and well, sorry, so am I guess. But we'll see you.